Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable attention aware for voice control on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on voice control. After that, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on attention aware. So tap on this to switch it on, and this will allow voice control to wake up when you look at your iPhone and sleep when you look away. And that's it. So you can turn on or turn off attention aware to use with voice control. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.